My backpack is finally ready for the indoor sleepover. That backpack looks incredibly huge, Jack.
Wow! What do you have inside here? Bricks?
No bricks, Dad. Just my very important weekend supplies.
It feels like it weighs 50 pounds!
Oh! I am a strong boy. I can carry it easily.
Jack, how much stuff did you bring for a 2-day sleepover?
I just want to make sure I am completely prepared.
Why is everyone staring at this giant backpack?
Oh!
Jack is packing for his sleepover.
And the bag is incredibly heavy.
Ginu, are you moving to a new apartment? No, Mom. I just need a lot of options for the weekend.
Options? You sound exactly like your sister Rumi.
Rumi is a smart packer, so I am copying her style. Let's open this up and see what these options are. Please be careful, Mom. Fragile items are inside. Okay, item number 1. Your large tablet. Oh! I need that to watch my favorite indoor movies.
Item number 2. Your portable video game console.
Whoa! That is for playing games with my cousin on the sofa. What is going on in here? An inspection?
We are inspecting Ginu's extremely heavy sleepover bag. What is all this extra stuff, Ginu?
My tablet, my portable charger, and my extra controller.
This charger alone weighs at least 3 pounds.
I need it in case all the wall plugs are busy.
That's a lot of weight to carry, are you sure?
Yes, I'm absolutely sure. Please, I need it.
Wait, there is something else hidden down here.
Hey! Be careful with my top secret equipment! Ginu, is this an extra video game controller? Yes. I brought my extra controller just to be safe. You brought an extra controller in case the first one runs out of battery?
Exactly.
You never know when an emergency will happen.
A dead controller battery is not an emergency, Ginu.
It is a huge emergency when you are in the middle of a game.
Ginu, you packed 10 pounds of electronics for a single weekend. It's not 10 pounds, Mom. Maybe just 8 pounds. Close enough. You really do pack like a tech store.
Hey, at least I didn't bring 4 pairs of shoes like you do.
Ginu, the point of a sleepover is to play with your cousin. We are going to play with these electronics together.
But if you stare at screens all day, you won't actually talk to him. We can talk while we play the games.
We need to set an electronics limit for this trip.
A limit? That sounds like a terrible idea.
You can choose one electronic device to take with you.
Only one? But I have 3 different devices here. When I go to pajama parties, we mostly play board games and talk. Board games are made of cardboard. They don't have shiny lights.
Rumi is right. The best memories are made without screens.
But what if my cousin wants to play my video game?
Then you can take the main console.
But the tablet stays here.
Okay. I guess I can leave the movie tablet at home.
And what about this giant brick of a charger? I suppose his apartment has electricity in the walls.
And you definitely do not need this extra controller. Fine. The extra controller can stay safely on my desk.
See? Your bag is already looking much healthier.
My bag looks a little bit empty and sad now. Here, pack this classic board game instead. Oh, the property trading game. I love that one. That game takes hours to finish. It is perfect for a sleepover. And I am going to win all the fake money from my cousin. This is a much better choice for an indoor weekend.
You are right, Dad. It is more fun to play together.
Now try to lift your backpack, Captain Ginu. Okay, let me test my new screen-free bag.
Wow! It feels light as a feather now!
Because you removed 10 pounds of heavy batteries.
You are officially an expert at packing light.
Oh, I am a minimalist packer, just like a professional traveler.
Don't get too proud, minimalist packer.
I am just very good at adapting to the rules. All right, your cousin's parents will be here in 10 minutes to pick you up.
I am completely ready for my indoor adventure.
We avoided a major packing disaster today.
Yes, Jinu's spine will thank us later. The extra controller will be waiting for me when I get back.
It will be safe and fully charged, don't worry. And remember to brush your teeth before going to sleep. I packed my mint toothpaste in the front pocket. Have a great time at the pajama party, little brother. Thank you, Rumi. I hope you have a boring weekend without me. Actually, I am going to enjoy the quiet house very much.
It will be very peaceful here without your video game sound effects.
You guys are gonna miss me so much after 1 hour.
Oh, we will definitely miss your high energy, sweetie.
I think I hear their car pulling up outside the building.
Yay! The sleepover weekend is officially starting. Have fun, share your snacks, and be a good friend. I will, Mom. I am going to win the board game fairly.
Here is your perfectly balanced electronics limited bag.
Thank you, Dad. It is the perfect weight. Bye, Ginu. Don't eat too much junk food before bed. Dad!
I make no promises about the snacks, Rumi.
See you guys on Sunday evening.
See you, buddy. Call us if you need anything.
Have a wonderful time inside with your cousin.
I will. Goodbye, everyone.
Well, the house is instantly quieter.
It feels a little bit empty without his chatter.
I am going to enjoy having the TV all to myself tonight.
Oh, we can finally watch a movie
Without cartoon characters.
I am really proud of him for leaving the extra screens behind.
Me too. He actually listened to reason for once.
His desk looks like a small electronics store right now.
We will have him organize those cables when he gets back. A weekend with limited electronics sounds nice for all of us.
That is a brilliant idea, Rumi.
We should all try it. No phones during dinner tonight. Just family conversation.
I agree completely. An offline evening.
I am okay with that. Real life is better than a screen anyway. We just taught Ginu a lesson. We should follow it too.
To a peaceful, screen-free, and very cozy weekend at home.
I think this is going to be a really great Saturday. Our home is always the best place to relax.
Absolutely. Let the quiet weekend begin.